In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the OneDrive Recycle bin in our complete 2025 guide. Whether you're trying to recover an accidentally deleted document or just want to clean up your storage space, knowing how to navigate the OneDrive Recycle bin is an essential skill for managing your cloud storage. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open OneDrive online. To do this, simply head over to the OneDrive website. Ensure you use a browser that you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account. This could be a personal account or one that you use for work or school. Remember to have your login details handy to facilitate a quick and smooth sign-in process. If you've forgotten your password, look for the password recovery option to regain access. Now that you're logged into OneDrive Online, direct your attention to the left-hand panel displayed on the screen. You'll see a list of options there, but what we're interested in is the Recycle Bin option. Click on Recycle Bin to open it. This is where all the files you've deleted are temporarily stored before they are permanently erased from your storage. It's a handy feature that gives you the opportunity to restore files you didn't mean to delete. In the Recycle Bin, you have several options to manage your files. If there are files you want to recover, you can select these files and hit the Restore button. Doing this will transfer your files back to their original locations, allowing you to access them just as you did before they were deleted. It's like a second chance for those precious documents. If there are files you are certain you no longer need, you can delete them permanently by selecting the files and clicking on the Delete option. Remember, once you delete them from the Recycle Bin, they are gone for good, so make sure you're absolutely sure you don't need them. Finally, if you want to clear out the entire Recycle Bin in one fell swoop, there is an option to empty Recycle Bin, which will free up space in your OneDrive storage. Before we wrap up, here's an important note to keep in mind. Deleted items typically stay in the Recycle Bin for 30 days for personal accounts, giving you a reasonable window to recover them. However, if you have a business account, items remain for an extended period of 93 days unless your administrator changes this policy. Therefore, always be aware of these timelines to ensure you don't lose any important files you might want to restore later. And there you have it. That's how you can view and manage your OneDrive Recycle Bin. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to keep your OneDrive organized and recover those files you thought were lost forever. Happy organizing!